Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. You're about to experience some information that might change your life. Like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. See you on the other side.
As a first-time person to hear about property, because I wasn't sure what to expect, I loved it. Like, I loved how TJ broke it down, how he made it easier for us to understand as a first-timer. So I was able to get some information. I was like, oh, I can actually go and do this. Oh, let me go. Like, I'm getting more excited now. I'm like, I literally cannot wait to get home to kind of like start looking into things. So I would definitely recommend it, as if you're thinking about it or you're not sure of it, or you've heard about it and something like that, and you just want to look into it, this is literally the best program for you to come and look at. It's free as well, which was quite nice as well. You don't hardly get those, you know, sort of trainings being free, so I was quite happy to see it was free just to get that foundation stage. And I'm excited to also do some training with TJ.